So everyone says just start a side hustle, but nobody shows you how to actually make it simple. If I had to make money from scratch this weekend, here's exactly what I would do. I'd create a small digital product like a guide or a checklist, or maybe even a toolkit that solves one real problem, and I'd launch it with free tools in under 48 hours. And so I believe that this works because most people overcomplicate digital income. They think you need to have a large YouTube following. They think you need to have a big audience or a massive funnel built out before you can start solving people's problems and actually making money. And so the truth is you don't need that. What you actually need is this. You need a simple system which is actually going to solve, again, one real problem. So your product, whatever it is that you're going to be offering them, needs to solve one problem. So as an example, right, let's say I am somebody that wants to go on a vacation, but my problem is finding good flights. Your solution to me could be a download, a PDF document, or a video which shows me what sites to go to in order to be able to find the best flights. I'm not asking you to show me where to find the best hotels. I'm not asking you how do I change my money, or can I use a credit card? I'm not asking you for those things. And oftentimes when we want to give people digital products or solutions, we want to give them everything, but they only have one problem. If you can solve the main problem or the one problem, you can crank out these guides and these digital offerings a lot quicker than having to build out or thinking that you're having to build out a full-on course. So once you've identified the one problem, and you are actually going to go and identify the manner in which you're going to deliver the solution. The easiest way to actually do that is to actually go ahead and create a digital download. It's not going to be a 50-page document. It could be a 10, 15, or maybe a 20-page document. You could go into a free platform like Canva or Notion and upload your solution. Go in, and if you want to make it look nice, I'd say Canva over Notion. I use both of them. But you could go ahead and you could get your information into Canva, make it look nice, and then you've got your product. The next thing that you need to do is actually build a landing page where you're going to offer the particular product available to them, in this case, your digital download. And so two things to mention over here. Don't overcomplicate it. Keep it simple. You're just starting out, right? You could have a simple video just talking about what the product is and how it solves the problem. Nice and punchy, nice and short. You could use AI to help you come up with the video sales letter or sales page. And then just some key objections that they might have, pain points that they have about this particular thing that your solution actually solves the problem for. So building it out in a tool like system.io, which is linked beneath this video, you could actually do it for free because System has a generous free plan. So you could build your landing page and your sales page on System for free. Something very important, guys, when you deliver the actual item, once you've built it out, once you are ready to deliver the product to them, which is going to be your digital download, I want you to consider doing the following two things. On the thank you page, once they've made the payment, have a button where they can click on the button and it takes them to the Google Drive where the document is saved. But in addition to that, send an email with the link to the item to and ask them to white label your email. And what I mean by that is have them identify your email as a safe email so that in future when you want to promote stuff to them, that the email provider that they use, whether it's Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, whichever email provider it is that they use, that they don't recognize your emails as spam. So go ahead and deliver the product to them in those two manners. So as we speak, I'm actually busy recording out a series where I'm walking people through each step that we discussed in this video, but in more detail. This will be a series that I'll be launching on this channel in the next couple of weeks. The next thing you're going to do is something what I call smart promotion. And so if you use Facebook a lot, go ahead and share it on your Facebook profile. But don't hop on into groups and share your link. That's the quickest way to get banned. If you are wanting people in groups that you are active in who actually need the solution, if you are wanting them to get the solution from you, I encourage you to actually go ahead and be active in those groups and share valuable content so that those people can add you as a friend, come to your profile, and then see the solution being presented to them that way. The other thing that I don't want you to do is to hop into the DMs or to direct message people and just send them the link. You always have to ask them first if they've indicated that they've got a particular problem and you believe that you can solve the problem. Common etiquette is ask them first, can I send you this link to this document that I've created? if you do that and you follow along doing it in that manner, people will know you, they'll like you, and they'll trust you, as opposed to thinking that you're just out to get something from them. If you use a platform like TikTok and Instagram, you've got the ability to promote again for free. You could create a series around the solution that it is that you're solving. So let's say you're solving how to find flights. So that's the problem, right? You could create content around flights and around traveling, and then point them to the link in bio where there's one URL over there which takes them to your sales page, which addresses their pain point again. So you could use TikTok and Instagram for free, point them to the link in bio. When they click on that link, they're actually going to go to your actual sales page and they'll make the purchase that way. Another way in which you can make money passively through your guide is to actually have affiliate links embedded into your guide. And so if you are talking about a particular credit card that they should be using when buying these tickets, and you've got an affiliate link to that credit card, you can have that link embedded in the particular guide so that when they click on that link and they sign up for the credit card or they book through an Expedia, that you actually earn some form of affiliate commission through the platform that you actually are promoting and recommending in your guide. So if you want to know how to build this out for yourself, I believe this video has given you some ideas, but if you want to know in more depth how to do and complete each particular component of what I've discussed over here, then feel free to subscribe to this particular channel if you haven't already. And I'm going to be sharing, as I said, in more detail how you can do this. And I'm even going to share with you how, if you don't want to build out your own product, how you can promote other people's products and make money online that way. So again, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click that notification button too.